The F-4 Phantom II was the backbone of the U.S. Air Force during the 1960s and 1970s. It was a large and powerful fighter aircraft that could fly at up to twice the speed of sound. It was the first Navy jet to carry all its weapons internally, and it proved itself to be one of the most adaptable and effective combat aircraft of its day. The Phantom served through 3 wars, still in frontline service worldwide when retired from U.S. service in 1996. American RC model hobbyists will love this replica of the legendary American F-4 Phantom II and wish to own it. For more RC airplanes, hit like and smash that subscribe button.